Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Troplem here, and today we're announcing two winners for the Go-Go Bird RC mini drone. Now, if you guys watched the review of the day, I was really impressed with this unit. It is obviously meant for kids. I just like the bionic movement of it, the fact that it flies by actually flapping its wings and doesn't rely on propellers. So definitely whenever I see something like that, I try to snatch it up and review it, because just interested to see how all that works. So this video, we're going to announce two winners. There was a giveaway announcement in the initial review, and if you guys are in the market for a kid's drone, worth checking out in my opinion. The other thing I wanted to say is just a big thank you to everyone that actually been with me, subscribe to the channel, active in the comment section, actually share my videos. Really appreciate it. Just want to say a big thank you for hitting 200,000 subscribers. It has been a journey, especially with the changes, the policy changes with YouTube. Had to switch out the content a little bit, but definitely appreciate everyone's sticking with me, and I'll try to do something special to celebrate that 200,000 subscriber mark. But this video is all about the giveaway. Let's go ahead and jump into the details. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell. Make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. So as far as the unit itself, like I said, I was really impressed on how this actually worked, the design. And if you watch the whole review, I had some pros and some cons, but overall, I think this is a good fit. The bird itself is called the Go-Go Bird. It does cost $39. It is shaped like a bird, comes in 4 colors, as you can see there. And 4 units were sent out to me to review. So 2 of these units will be giveaway. I'll be holding on to 2 of them, probably keep testing with one, giving one away to the kids or something like that. But as far as some of the modes, it does have autonomous mode, circle mode. It does do a figure 8. It actually did come with a controller which fits in the palm of your hands, where you can move it around and control it. So it's pretty cool in my opinion. Overall, just a great unit for kids. And I'll go ahead and pin that full review in the comment section as well as the description. So shout out to everyone that participated in the giveaway, and what you needed to do in order to be eligible is 1, make sure you subscribe, make sure your notification bell is checked. 2, drop a comment in the comment section. Just let me know which color you would like. And 3, and very important guys, head over to my Amazon store, follow me there, and while you're there, check out some of the cool products that I've reviewed over the years, or products that I recommend. Purchase anything from my storefront. Doesn't cost anything extra, but it does help out the channel. And also, if you need something that you don't see on my Amazon page, just let me know and I'll go ahead and add it for you. So for this giveaway, I'm going to do it a little bit differently. What I'm going to do, because there are 2 items that I'm giving away. The first one, I'm going to pick someone from the comments, and the second winner, I'm going to let the random picker do it for me. So having said that, just want to give a big shout out to Dallas RH. He's my pick for the first giveaway. Dallas been very active on the channel in the comments, longtime subscriber, and I do appreciate his feedback, his input, and definitely well deserved in my opinion. So Dallas, when you see this video, I need your shipping information. That way I can get it over to you. Just send me a DM, PM, or you can email me and I'll get it to you as soon as possible. For the second winner, what I'm going to do is copy the URL from this video and head over to the random picker. Let's go. Alright, so here we are on the random picker page, and this is what I normally use to do my giveaways, just because it's completely random. It doesn't care where you are, who you are. As long as you commented in the comment section, you have an opportunity to win. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to filter out duplicate replies, and I'm just going to leave it at that. So let's go ahead. We're just going to get the comments. Alright, so out of all the comments, there were 36 unique comments. So commenting multiple times, it does not improve your chances to win. So let's go ahead and pick the second winner. Good luck to everyone. Alright, so obviously I cannot be the winner. So let me go ahead and pick another winner here. So salute to MGS405, commented for my niece Green. So salute to MGS405, Dallas RH. Whenever you see this video, shoot me a DM, a PM, an email. I need your shipping information. That way I can get this over to you. For anyone else that didn't win this time, of course, I always do giveaways. Whenever I review a product, I try to get 2 of them just to give back. So definitely make sure you subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is checked. Big salute again for the new subscribers, for everyone that's been riding with me throughout the couple years I've had this channel. I appreciate it. 200K, and we're gonna keep going in 2021. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.